Baby, don't rush, slow touch. You don't have to tell me, I know I'm your hook.
Welcome back, guys. You know it's about Kima here. We're in some gangly right now. If you know what's popping, you know it's an avalanche story. You know. Coming down. There's super fishing right here. So. It's way up there. So right now I just came from the top of it, and I will show that in my new video. So get ready. Go fish out the hole. Go fish out the hole. Where is it? Oh, as you can see, the water down there. The water down there. As you can see. Yep.
A few moments later.
So okay, this is something. As you can see, the boys. What are you gonna do? A backflip? A backflip? A backflip? See, there's a backflip right now. Yeah. Hello. Right now. Oh, good stunts, man.
Anyways, I done it all.
All ready? Hurry up.
I done. You couldn't swear that you can't pass on me.
That was a nice one. As you can see, they coming down right from this coming down.
1 hour later.
Drink it till I